Díomh Accordia, agus Banach Day lá féile Pádraig, on a Furin Mazola. Hello everybody, and welcome to Mazola's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a good Irish coffee to go with your Bailey's cheesecake that's on our St. Patrick's Day menu. The ingredients we're going to use today are, of course, Irish whiskey. I'm going to use Jameson today. If you don't have Jameson, you can use your favorite whiskey from home. Some coffee. You can either use instant, or you can use a coffee press, or whatever way you make your coffee at home. And whipping cream, full body, 35% whipping cream. Secret with whipping cream, shake it. You can get a cream shaker like this to shake it, just to put some air into it, not until it's stiff. You want the cream to pour, but you don't want it to sink. Okay, so how we start. And some sugar, of course. This is an Irish coffee glass from home. It has a handle because it gets quite hot to touch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a spoon and a half of sugar. We're going to add a generous amount of whiskey, not too generous, because if you put too much whiskey in, your cream will sink. And we're going to pour the coffee in till it's about 1 centimeter from the top. Now we're going to stir our mixture. This is the only time we will stir the mixture. I'm finished with this spoon. I'm going to put it to one side. The secret of a good Irish coffee is to use a cold spoon for the cream. We take our cream and we pour it onto the back of the spoon. So you put the spoon quite close to the coffee and we pour our cream slowly. And there you have your perfect Irish coffee. To top it off, if you want at home, some grated dark chocolate on top is really nice. If I was making it in this glass, I would add a spoon of sugar, a spoon and a half of sugar, again, a spoonful of my favorite instant coffee, mix it a little, add a measure of whiskey. You'll give it a little stir and add your hot water. We're going to add some coffee because we have some made. And again, we're going to stir it. And again, the cold spoon, and we pour our cream on the back of the cold spoon. And there you have it, a perfect Irish coffee. And I wish you and your families a happy St. Patrick's Day. Slán Seabhá.